皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the adjective past tense in Japanese. In the previous lesson, I introduced 10 adjectives. So if you haven't watched the lesson video yet, please check the lesson video at first. Okay, so let's get started. じゃあまず復習をしましょう。復習ね。復習 means recap, review ね。There are two types of adjectives, i-adjectives and non-adjectives. And then in conjugated, the last syllables when they modify nouns. Then adjective and this make the sentence polite. So, for example, 大きい, we have learned 大きい means big. 大きい, this like make a sentence. It is big. Sentence make polite. Then if you describe noun, something adjective and noun, you can straight after the you can add adjective and noun, no particle between. I'll show you the slide. Okay, so you can add a noun straight after adjectives, no particle between them. So for example, 面白い映画. So 映画 is a noun, movie, and then 面白い is adjectives, and interesting. So straight 面白い映画. So that's me describing an interesting movie. And next example, 新しい車. 新しい is adjective, new, then 車 is a noun. So it's, as you see, the order is same as English, like a new car, 新しい車. Then last example, かっこいい先生, good looking teacher. So かっこいい is, this is a double E, by the way. かっこいい先生, 先生 is a teacher, it's a noun. かっこいい is e-adjective. E-adjective, that's why all ending E here. So you can describe like noun. Okay, so if you use it in the sentence, for example, 面白い映画を見ました. So you use the 面白い then describe movie. So 面白い映画を見ました. So that means I saw an interesting movies. Let's practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. 面白い映画を見ました. Or another example, casual way, 新しい車を買いたい. So describing car, but 新しい車を買いたい. This is an informal. 新しい車を買いたい means I want to buy a new car. 買います change to 買いたい is want to buy. Repeat after me. 新しい車を買いたい. Good. Then let's move on to the conjugation rule with e-adjectives ね。The past tense は、so you have learned 大きい. So you take off e, then you add かった. So this pronounced かった、大きかった. So that's how we change it. 小さい、小さかった. 面白い、面白かった. Let's pronounce together. Repeat after me. 大きかった。小さかった。面白かった。I'll show you the Romanji. 大きい、take off い、then add かった。大きかった。小さかった。面白かった。It's like that. Okay? 暖かい。Then 暖かい。暖かい means warm. Warm. Then 暖かかった。This kanji read as 寒い。寒い means cold. 寒かった。So take off い。then かった。かわいい means cute. かわいかった。So that's how we change it. かった。Repeat after me. 暖かかった。 So this one a little bit hard to pronounce, but double T-A, doubleか。暖かかった。寒かった。可愛かった。One more time. 暖かかった。寒かった。可愛かった。Then we have a irregular one. So, E change to よかった。We don't say いかった。よかった。So, same way works かっこいい because here EE, double EE. So, かっこいい change かっこよかったです。これローマ字ですね。いい change してよかった。かっこいい、かっこよかったです。So keep in mind, this is a irregular conjugations. じゃあ例文ですね。Example, formal ね。映画は面白かったですか？ So ここでね、we use it here. ここでかったを使ってますね。映画面白かったですか？ Was the movie interesting?So you add a かった and then that becomes the question. So repeat after me. 映画は面白かったですか？はい。Next is a casual way. So in previous one was ですか but you can take off ですか then simply 面白かった But this is a question, so to make a question informal, casual, where you need the intonation go up, like 面白かった So the listener understand, oh, it is a question. Repeat after me. 映画は面白かった So that's the casual way of asking. Next example. 沖縄は暖かかったですか You know, 暖かい means 暖かい is warm. Then was it warm in Okinawa? So maybe this is a situation your friends travel to Okinawa in Japan and then maybe come back and then you asked because the event was past. So you use the past tense. 暖かかったですか? Okay. Then casual way you can say in same wayで take off ですか? So 暖かかった like 沖縄暖かかった Repeat after me. 沖縄暖かかった。はい。Okay. Okay, so this time we will practice speaking, like pronunciation without relying on text. If you find it yourself stuck, feel free to go back and review previous sentences where we focused on reading the sentences with the slide. So this exercise will greatly improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's start by repeating after me. 面白い映画を見ました。新しい車を買いたい。映画は面白かったですか？映画は面白かった？沖縄は暖かかったですか？沖縄は暖かかった？ Okay, so レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。So that's for the today's lesson. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all the lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese.Please check the description for more detail. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。